We have some new footage from the SpaceX SN10, the Starship test flight. You remember that clip that everybody was like, that's CG. That doesn't even look real when it comes in and lands that giant Starship. Well, they put out some new angles, and most importantly, well, I would like you to play. You can play the video, actually. I think it's worthwhile. We can watch a piece of it. What you're going to see in here is close-up, detailed look at the rocket engines as it comes in for landing. And you're going to see the legs extend as it comes down.
Should I skip anywhere, or?
Yeah, you can skip to about halfway, I would say. A little bit more than halfway. We're mostly interested in its landing because, of course, that's where the issue occurred. After, now this recap does not include any type of explosion or anything. But that's the clip right there.
Yeah.
That part of it is the clip right there. Now, I want you to watch for the legs coming down because apparently something gets crushed, which eventually causes the issues. One of the legs gets crushed on the way down. But you see those legs extending? Mm-hmm. You see those tiny, hard to believe, those little tiny legs. Going to hold up the whole thing. But then there's so much smoke after that you can't really tell. Now, I'm guessing because it came down not quite straight. It was a little bit to the, I'm just guessing.
Sure.
That maybe one of those legs was taking more weight than it should have, which led to the thing getting crushed. Now, anyway, you can't see it in here, but you definitely get a better experience on the recap than you probably were capable of seeing live. And the coolest part about this, just as a recap, to watch each of the watch. Okay, so you see what is the word for what are those thrusters? What is the word for each of those rocket units? Are they thrusters?
I think so.
Detail at the rocket engines as it came in for landing. I don't know. Whatever. We'll call it thrusters. It doesn't matter. It does matter, but for the purpose of this explanation. So, to see how they have balanced the amount of thrust and how two of them are turning off.
Yeah.
And then they're kind of like juggling a little bit the weight, but through rocket power. It's really incredible. It's fascinating. It's wonderful. And I love the rapid experimentation.
Yeah.
Like, just do it. Get it out there. It's okay to fail.
And make it public.
Let's keep going. It's a tremendous approach. So whatever. Shout out SpaceX.